Imagine charging your car in less time than it takes to grab a cup of coffee. 3 minutes, full battery. No range anxiety. No lithium shortage. No waiting hours at charging stations. Impossible? Not anymore. China has just unveiled a technology so powerful it could destroy the entire EV industry as we know it. And trust me, this changes everything. If you love discovering the future before it hits the headlines, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, because what you're about to see is bigger than EVs, bigger than Tesla, and bigger than lithium itself. Recent reports from China confirm that CATL, the world's largest battery manufacturer, has officially unveiled a new sodium-ion battery generation. And here's the kicker, this pack delivers a staggering 1,200 kilowatts charging rate, that's 12C, a level of speed once thought to be pure science fiction. To put that in perspective, most EVs today max out at 250 to 350 kilowatts. CATL's battery? Almost 4 times faster than the fastest Tesla supercharger. That means full charge in under 5 minutes. Let that sink in. The single biggest pain point of EV adoption, charging time, just got obliterated. Now, you might be asking, why sodium? For years, lithium-ion dominated the battery race. But lithium is expensive, limited, and dirty to extract. Sodium? Abundant, cheap, and safe. For decades, sodium batteries were considered too weak, too low in density. But something has changed. CATL's breakthrough isn't just incremental. It's revolutionary. Their new free-void design has gone from experimental chemistry to full-scale commercial readiness. And unlike previous sodium-lithium hybrids, reports suggest this pack runs purely on sodium cells. The result? Lower costs, record-breaking safety, and charge times so fast they make EV charging look like dial-up internet. But wait, CATL isn't alone in this race. And what's coming next will blow your mind. Enter Huawei. Yes, the tech giant. Partnering with Series, Huawei is preparing to put these sodium packs into real vehicles. Their new 80 M6 EV will reportedly carry CATL's sodium-ion batteries. Think about that. We're not talking about lab demos. We're talking about real production cars that could hit the streets within the next 6 months. If true, this will be one of the fastest rollouts of a new battery tech in history. And here's the jaw-dropper. Presentations show that these packs could go from 0 to 100% in just 3 to 4 minutes. That's not evolution, that's a complete paradigm shift. Now, imagine what this means not just for cars, but for the entire energy ecosystem. Let's dive into the specs. CATL's new Gillen battery pack, also known as CTP Celtoac 3, hits an energy density of 255 Wh/kg, right up there with Tesla's 4,680 cells. But here's the kicker, CATL can fit more cells per unit than Tesla, potentially giving vehicles even longer range. Early projections suggest EVs could soon achieve 1,000 kilometers, over 600 miles, on a single charge. And with condensed sodium batteries under development, ranges of 1,300 kilometers are on the horizon. Range anxiety? Gone. Charging time? Practically irrelevant. But this isn't just about convenience. This is about survival, the survival of entire trillion-dollar industries. With sodium-ion moving at lightning speed, South Korea, Japan, Europe, and the US are scrambling to catch up. Battery giants who once laughed at sodium are now racing to develop their own versions. Because if they don't, China cements its lead. Remember, the EV industry isn't just about cars. It's about energy dominance. Whoever controls batteries controls the future. And right now? China is playing chess while the rest of the world is still learning checkers. If you think this story needs more attention, smash that like button. It helps this breakthrough reach more people. Now, here's where it gets even crazier. These sodium batteries aren't just for passenger cars. They could redefine freight, logistics, even aviation. Imagine a semi-truck recharging in 10 minutes. Imagine airplanes running on safe, cheap, high-density batteries. And beyond transportation? Grid storage. Sodium batteries thrive in extreme temperatures, cost less to produce, and last longer than lithium. They could stabilize entire renewable grids, making wind and solar truly viable 24/7. This isn't about cars anymore. This is about rewriting the global energy map. Let's be clear. If sodium succeeds, lithium loses. Trillions in lithium mining investments? Gone. Oil companies hoping EVs remain limited by battery tech? Crushed. This technology threatens entire supply chains built over decades. Which is why, let's be honest, you won't see Wall Street cheerleading this breakthrough anytime soon. Because sodium batteries don't just compete, they could destroy existing business models overnight. Backhand index pointing right re-engagement, but will they let it happen? Or will sodium face the same pushback hydrogen once did? So, here we stand at the edge of history. A battery that charges in minutes. Ranges that shatter limits. Costs that make EVs affordable for everyone. And a future where clean energy is no longer a dream, it's the default. The question is simple: will the world embrace it, or will entrenched powers bury it before it takes root? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: sodium-ion isn't the future anymore. It's the present. And it's here to change everything. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who still thinks EVs are just a fad. Because the next decade of energy starts right here.